How to unblock in Reddit. If you have recently blocked someone and now want to unblock them and you don't know how to do it, so don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find settings option. Now tap on it. Then go to your account settings right here. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find manage blocked accounts. Just right here. Now select it. Now to unblock, simply tap onto this unblock button right here. Select it. And now you can see the person is now unblocked. And that's it. This is how you can unblock someone on the Reddit. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.